So guys, welcome back again to another of my video. How is your day going? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video. Bro, it's crazy. This very dark man, they no one make this guy rest. I be waiting. They no one make VDM rest. Since VDM went to China, it has been from one case to another, from one issue to another, from one suing to court to another. You guys know what happened some days ago, of course, declaring Verydarkman wanted and issued an arrest on Verydarkman. And I told you guys that, bro, this kind of matter is joke. Cause even at that, I've been so many things have been running through my head. I was like, if Verydarkman, the main one I'm even talking about is all this thing when they do, suing Verydarkman 1.1 billion, this and that. If VDM eventually lose this case, because I know say VDM hardly this guy they lose case, so but if this guy eventually lose case, how they expect VDM make him pay 1.1 billion naira? But that's by the way. The thing is that Verydarkman has reacted to the arrest that was issued to him by the court. Remember, you know, anything we say, anything we do VDM, Verydarkman must always have something to say. Now, Verydarkman has reacted to the trending news of him declared wanted in Nigeria while he's still in China. Let's see what VDM have to say about this. You guys should hear this.
All right, so in respect to this news that went viral yesterday, that the courts have ordered for my arrest. First things first, the judiciary cannot shut me down. A lot of you don't know, but there's a plot for the judiciary to shut me down. But I will resist it. Instead, I will expose all those people paying money for it. I will expose all of you. All those people forum shopping judges. And all those their illegal orders. I will expose all of you. Because tell me something. How can a man have 6 cases in front of one magistrate in one day, and on that same day the judge ordered for my arrest? On that same day, after they told him, because my lawyer told him that this guy is not in Nigeria. My lawyer also told them that I have case in that same court and I have never missed a day. The lawyer told him that. As a matter of fact, I was even in China when they filed for that case. So I'm not around. And you're ordering for my own arrest. And I'm not even around. Not just that. On that same day when they order for my arrest, that was yesterday. Another court in Nyanya, High Court in Nyanya, is also issuing an injunction that I should not talk about chinwo and efcc matter again. Meanwhile, this other magistrate that ordered for my arrest have also issued an injunction that I should not talk about this case. Now, the one in Nyanya that issued that injunction was also a magistrate. He was recently made judge. He was also a magistrate. He was recently made judge. Now, again, if you go through their case, the affidavit is very scanty. No reasonable person will give an order based on that affidavit, based on that case where they file. And they look the case and I'm like, what's going on here? Not just that, this ex parte that you people pass, this ex parte order, I'll be waiting to the column. I thought the NJC, I've stopped that, I put a stop on that, and I've warned all judges to not do that ex parte thing anymore. So why is this judge in Nyanya, why is he doing it? And why are they trying to do it? So listen to me, like I said, the judiciary cannot shut me down. Instead, all those people paying for it, I go expose all of now. I don't get that time. That being said, I know what they look for. You understand? They want the news. Oh, Verydarkman came to Nigeria because their plan will be, if I come to Nigeria, may they handcuff me. They handcuff me, people go say, yes, oh, Messi don't win and all that, blah, 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 blah. See, the truth is that, even if I come to Nigeria now, and they handcuff me, listen, it still does not change the truth. That there was abuse of power and influence against EZT. How? It's simple. Why did they move the case from Lagos, where get efcc, can't go Ilorin, unless if they are looking for a place where they have a upper hand? Now, I said it and I will quote it 1 million times. It might be a coincidence to every other person, but it's not a coincidence to me. Not just that. The EFCC where arrest EZT, where they detain her for more than 8 days for Iloni. The zonal chairman there, now pastor for Redeem, just like the EFCC prosecutor. And guess what? When they opened the Ilorin branch, this EFCC prosecutor, where they in charge of this case between chinwo and that zonal chairman there, where
You guys said everything Verydarkman said, man. I just have to cut it short because if they listen to everything VDM talk, I tell you like say VDM always have something to say. You still a lot of things on this video, and at this point, this case is not complicated because you just pointed out so many things. What do you guys think about that? I told you guys, I was asking myself, say this VDM when I want making wrong come out for Nigeria for now, when I want buy this guy. What do you guys think about everything? You guys heard all he said. VDM reacted to the issue and to court declaring him wanted and all that. And at this point, I don't know. Like all this thing, I don't really know much about all these things. Is VDM going to come back to Nigeria to face the law, or are they going to wait for him to return back to Nigeria? And as for him and Messi Chinwo case, if VDM eventually lose, I beg you have video from bring 1.1 billion naira. I beg, we're gonna tell us here in the comment section. What's your thoughts on everything? You guys heard all VDM said. I told you guys he said a lot of things. Just have to cut it short cause VDM always has something to say. He will always prove you wrong. What's your thoughts on everything? There are tests. Let me know your opinions in the comment section. And lastly, before you leave, please do well to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Subscribe so let's make sure you get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you again in my next video.